You keep saying tomorrow. Tomorrow you'll start. Tomorrow you'll change. Tomorrow you'll try again. And somehow, tomorrow never shows up. What if the reason your life feels stuck isn't laziness, but hesitation that lasts just a little too long? There's a moment every single day when your life quietly asks you a question. Not loudly, not dramatically. Just a small window of time where you can act, or retreat. Mel Robbins calls it a rule. I call it the moment that separates the life you want from the life you keep tolerating. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Your problem isn't lack of motivation. It's not discipline. It's not talent. It's the 5 minutes you give fear to talk you out of your future. In those minutes, your mind lists every excuse. You're tired. You're not ready. What if you fail? And the longer you listen, the heavier your body feels. That's not intuition. That's fear tightening its grip. But what if those 5 minutes weren't your enemy? What if they were your doorway? The rule isn't about feeling confident. It's about moving before doubt finishes its sentence. Action doesn't follow confidence. Confidence follows action. When you stand up before your mind settles in, you interrupt the old pattern. You teach your brain a new story. I move, even when I'm scared. Here's how it works. When you feel the pull to delay, getting out of bed, making the call, opening the book, starting the workout, give yourself 5 minutes. Not to think. Not to negotiate. Just to move. Start ugly. Start slow. Start unsure. 5 minutes turns into momentum. Momentum turns into consistency. And consistency quietly rebuilds your entire life. One day, you'll look back and realize your breakthrough didn't come from a miracle moment. It came from a decision you made while your hands were shaking. 5 minutes where you chose action over comfort. 5 minutes where you refused to let fear be the author of your story. This is how lives change. Not all at once, but one brave interruption at a time. Next time hesitation shows up, don't argue with it. Outrun it.